Hi everyone, welcome to Physical Science Lab. My name is Debbie Campbell-Rance and I will be your instructor in this course. I am very excited to have you in the course, and this is a syllabus orientation. This orientation will highlight the critical aspects of the syllabus. Nevertheless, you are to read the course syllabus thoroughly, ensuring that you are aware of the course expectations. The first thing I want to talk to you about is the instructor's information. The instructor's information is found at the top of the page, and it includes the instructor's name, office location, phone number, and email address. My preferred method of communication is via VSU email. Here is my communication plan. I will respond to email messages within 24 hours, Monday through Friday, and within 48 hours over the weekend. The course number and section. The course number and section is PHYS 111. The class will meet on Monday at 2 p.m. and each session has a duration of 1 hour and 50 minutes. We will meet synchronously via Zoom during the scheduled class period. Office hours will be via Zoom, and I have provided the Zoom link for each session. So for each office hour session, I have provided the corresponding Zoom link, and I have provided the Zoom link for your class meeting, as well as the meeting ID and passcode. So in the laboratory section of physical science, there are laboratory experiments that are designed to complement physical science lectures. The lab will introduce basic concepts of physical science, which should reinforce materials learned in the lecture. We will look at basic concepts of measurement, density, velocity, force, energy, temperature, volume pressure relationship of gases, solution and solubility, as well as Ohm's law. In this course, there are no prerequisites. However, the co-requisite for this course is physical science lecture. The required materials in this course include a computer with high-speed internet, textbook, and the textbook is Laboratory Guide, an Introduction to Physical Science, and you can either use the 12th or 13th edition. Now, the book is written by James T. Shipman and Clyde D. Baker, and the respective ISBNs are shown here. Additionally, each student in this class will need a scientific calculator, and you are to take the calculator with you to each class session. Upon completing this course, students will be able to conduct various elementary, qualitative, and quantitative experiments. You should be able to collect and organize experimental data, identify typical physical science laboratory equipment, and be able to operate these equipment. You will be able to practice safety precautions in a laboratory setting and present graphical data in a proper and professional manner. And then ultimately, you will be able to write laboratory reports. Now, as it relates to course communication, the main means of communication in this course is via VSU email. I will also communicate any changes in the course via Blackboard announcements. Therefore, students are encouraged to read their VSU emails and/or check Blackboard announcements multiple times a day. The policy on class attendance. All students are to attend class in accordance with VSU attendance policy. And then, as you know, there are several benefits for you attending class. And you can read the list on your own time. Now, in this course, students are expected to do pre-laboratory preparations, and this include reading the assigned laboratory procedure each week and review the background information. Additionally, you will do a pre-lab quiz after reviewing the pre-lab lecture. Now, in this course, there are multiple evaluation schemes, and these assessments include pre-lab preparation and pre-lab quizzes, and that will be worth 25% of your grade. Then you will write a weekly lab report, and that's going to be worth 30% of your grade. At midterm, you will do a midterm exam, and that's going to be worth 20% of your grade. And then at the end of the semester, you will do a final exam, and that's going to be worth 25% of your grade. Now, the final exam, in the final exam, you will cover all the experiments that were done after the midterm exam. And there will be no makeup, there will be no makeup exams if you miss any of the exams administered during the semester. The grading scale in this course is shown here. Students earning an A must score an average of 90% or above. A student earning a B must score an average of 80 to 89%. A student earning a C must score an average of 70 to 79%. A student earning a D must score an average of 60 to 69%. A student earning an F will have an average of 59% or less. Here I've presented some institutional policies on student accessibility, academic integrity. Now, these are very important in order to maintain the validity of our course. So you must take care to do your own work. You should avoid academic dishonesty in all of its forms. I have provided a tentative schedule to help us keep abreast of the course material. I will announce changes to the schedule via Blackboard announcements. Please make note of the important dates related to the course, such as your midterm exam and your final exam. And you want to take note of what lab you'll be doing each week. So we met on the 17th of August. That was our first class meeting. And in that class meeting, we look at introduction and syllabus. When we meet next week, we're going to be looking at graphing in Excel. So this is a part of your syllabus, and you should take the time, sorry, you should take the time to note what lab we will perform each week. I have also compiled a list of important dates from fall 2020 academic, university and course events. Please review this list carefully. I want to thank you for listening, and I will see you in class next week, Monday.